Last week, we introduced Universal-3.5 Pro real-time. This week, we're excited to introduce that in the pre-recorded API. So for meeting note takers, post-call analysis, and transcription workflows, the pre-recorded model and API is going to provide you the most accurate transcription across accent and English and all of the languages that we now support out of the box. The model will code switch natively, and you can drive the transcription via contextual prompting. Let's walk through a few examples where we can see multilingual and code switching in action. I'm going to switch the prompt to the code switching prompt to transcribe this recording with multilingual speech. And we'll drag in an audio file, English and French, and hit transcribe. So with pre-recorded, we're going to be sending in an audio file and get the transcription back within a couple seconds.
I said something like, j'ai dit à mes étudiants it's time to really pay attention to what the idea of code switching is.
We can see here we've got the transcription back. It mixes English and French together, and we can see that the turnaround time was under 10 seconds. Very fast for the type of audio that you're going to be sending in. Let's look at another example.
मेरा रुकने का तो बहुत मन है, but I have an exam to give tomorrow.
Awesome. Let's see how that is transcribed by the model. So we can see here that this was just one turn, but the beginning of the turn is transcribed as Hindi and the end of the turn is transcribed as English, matching the code switching that the user is doing.
But I have an exam to give tomorrow.
Let's see one more example in action here. This one's going to be English and Mandarin.
我不工作了. You can see the "了" at the end of the sentence indicates that the situation now and parents don't work. It's different from what it was before.
Amazing. So we can see the transcription we got back seamlessly mixes the accented English with the Mandarin. We can even see that the one word that they said between you can see the and at the end of the sentence is properly identifying the character and transcribing that accordingly. This is pretty incredible for our model and allows truly global transcription products to be built and serviced around the world. Let's look at one more use case. Now, this is not multilingual, but it is contextual prompting. So if we listen to the audio, it's very hard to hear what that makes out. So let's see what it's transcribed without any prompt. And solo queue, I better leave, right? So that is definitely not what they are saying. So let's add a prompt, this is about League of Legends roles. So we're giving the model context that this is about League of Legends roles, and we're gonna transcribe this again. Great, so now let's play back the audio. Right, so now that model is transcribing this, in solo queue, I ban Azir. Now this is a common phrase and character in League of Legends, and the model is now accurately transcribing that with the context. The contextual prompting is way more powerful with this model. You don't need to be instructional in how you guide the model on formatting and punctuation. The model is going to infer and do that out of the box. But now the context you provide it is going to accurately steer it towards the types of conversations you're having and what those conversations are about. This will help identify the entities, the names, and hard to pronounce words that the model typically used to struggle with and that generally speech-to-text models struggle with. This is what's going to make or break critical post-processing use cases across meetings, summaries, robust notes, and any downstream processes that you want to pass along from the transcription. We're really excited to put this new pre-recorded model in your hands, and we can't wait to see the improvements that it provides for your products. Thanks.